is to help you score at least 300 in your JAMB. We have been working on helping you score at least 300 in your JAMB. So in this video, there are very crucial, recent, urgent updates. There are very important updates I need you to pay attention to as we continue working you towards scoring at least 300 in your JAMB exam. Okay, the number one thing is ensure you have verified and registered your NIN. By now, if you'll be writing JAMB this year, your NIN should be ready. Your NIN ought to be ready now. It's not what we'll be reminding you. So if you have not done your NIN, let me know so that we'll begin to work on it. So ensure you get your NIN number ready. NIN is a number, is a unique 11-digit number that identifies you as a Nigerian citizen. You need to obtain your NIN from any NIMC enrollment center or through the NIMC mobile app. There is also a mobile app for it. So your NIN is very important. Your NIN is what? Crucial, is extremely important. At the end of this video, I will share with you, just watch till the end, I will share with you, I will give you free past questions. I will also give you free syllables if you have not gotten it. So just watch from here to the end of this video as I will be sharing these things. It is also going to help you to pass at the end of this video. Okay? You need to obtain your NIN from any NIMC enrollment center or through the NIMC mobile app. You will need your NIN to create your JAMB profile code and to register for the exam. Without your JAMB profile code, there is nothing like JAMB. Some of you don't know how to get your JAMB profile code. I will talk about it in this video. I will share with you the simple way to get your JAMB profile code. So, but for now, the important thing is ensuring that you have your what? Your NIN. That's 11 digits. Even if you have not gotten the paper or the card, ensure that you get the what? The 11 digits. The next very important thing is your SIM card. I have emphasized this importance of SIM card several times. So right now, at this point, you should have your SIM card. Ensure you have verified and registered SIM card. You need to have your own SIM card right now. You need a valid and active phone number. Of course, your SIM card gives you a phone number. So you need to have a valid and active phone number to create your JAMB profile. For you to create your JAMB profile, which I will teach you how to do if you have not done it, you need what? You need a valid and active phone number to create your JAMB profile and to receive important information from JAMB. For you to create a profile and receive all the important information, this is your phone number that JAMB will be sending you materials to create your profile code for your EPIN and all the rest. You need a phone number, your own phone number. If you have not gotten it, please go and do that. Also make sure your SIM is registered with your NIN, and also your SIM card should be linked with your NIN. The SIM card you should be using should be the one that is linked to your NIN, because in the syncing system of JAMB, they will find out if you use a SIM that is not synchronized with your NIN. So ensure that the SIM card you are using is synchronized with your NIN. If you have any question or problem regarding this, please let me know immediately. Remember, at the end of this video, I will give you what? Past questions, free. I will give you what? Syllables, free, on the 4 subjects you'll be writing. If you also need the JAMB book, there is this JAMB book, the novel, Lekki Headmaster. If you also want to get it from me, it is not free. I don't give that one free. But if you need to get it, also let me know. It will be sent to you immediately. Warning, there is a very important warning. It is very wrong to register JAMB with your dad's or your mom's or either siblings' SIM card. Don't even think about it. Don't even try it. Many of you make the mistake of using another person's phone number to generate your profile code. Using another person's phone number to register for JAMB using another person's email, it is bad, it is wrong, it will give you a lot of issues even when you get your admission. So ensure that the SIM card you will use is whose own? Your own. You can just go to the market, no matter where you are, there are markets around you and there are SIM card registration centers around you. So go ahead and register your SIM card. That is what you'll be using. Once you register your SIM card, you will now go to NIN office and register NIN with that SIM card. Right? Okay. Once you do your NIN, you register your SIM card, and let it be that that SIM card is synchronized with your NIN. It's a very, very important one. The next update for you is your email. I keep emphasizing this. JAMB will communicate to you through your email and through your phone number. That is why I keep repeating it, right? You need a valid and functional email address to create your JAMB profile and to access your JAMB portal, right? Because they'll be communicating you through it. You should use the same email address throughout the registration process and the admission period. This is very important. It is not you will use one email address today, then tomorrow you jump and create another one, and then next tomorrow you jump and use another. You will have issues with JAMB. So what you need to do is ensure that you use the same email address for your JAMB registration. Anywhere you see register, anywhere, any space for email address should be that same one you have been using. That same email address you have been using is the one you must keep using. If you have any issue or any problem with that, let me know in the comments so that we'll begin to tackle it. Remember, in this channel, Noble Tutorials, I have been telling you that our goal is to help you score at least 300 in your JAMB. Do you claim it? If you claim that you will score at least 300 in your JAMB, comment it. Comment, I claim it too. All right, okay? The next thing to avoid is avoid late registration. Avoid what? Late registration. Some people are lazy. Some people will not take action. I've been talking about this since last year. I've been reminding you to start getting things ready. Get your phone number, your NIN ready. Get your profile code ready. Prepare yourself, it's very, very important. So avoid rush. Avoid late registration. There are a few videos I will recommend before we continue with the update. Some of you don't know how to create JAMB profile code. There is a video in our channel titled Easy Way to Create Your JAMB Profile Code with your phone. You don't need to go to cyber cafe. You don't need to go to JAMB office. With your phone, I've given you the short code, the way you can create a profile code. If you have not done that, watch this video. I will drop the link somewhere in this video. If you also need me to send you the link to this particular video, just let me know so that I will send it to you. You need to watch this video immediately you are done with this one you are watching. Another video is JAMB shifted the dates for registration. Registration was supposed to start on 15th of January, but it has been shifted. If you don't know it, I want you to watch this video. Watch this video. We have done it we have just posted it in our channel. Breaking news, new dates for JAMB 2025 registration and exam. There have been a lot of shiftings and changes in the dates. Watch this video. If you want me to send you the link, I will send it to you free of charge. Just let me know so that I can send it immediately to you. The next video I want you to watch is how to get your EPIN. There is a difference between JAMB profile code and JAMB EPIN. Some of you don't know that. Some of you are making that costly mistake. So watch this video now. We have also done it for you in our channel. Okay, I'll also post the link. The next update for you is ensure you have correct JAMB combinations for all courses. Ensure you know the correct subject combination and institution for the courses you want to study. You want to study engineering, there's a particular course, there's a particular subject combination, 4 subjects. Use of English is compulsory, including the novel Lucky Headmaster, the JAMB novel. Remember, if you want to get that novel, I sell it. You can get it from me, right? I'll send it through WhatsApp to your phone, so you begin to read immediately. Also, in our channel, we have summarized the book. So ensure you know the correct subject combination an institution for the course you want to study. You cannot just apply to any school. You cannot, there is a particular course you will study that you need to be sure of whether the school you want to put as your first or second choice will offer that course, right? You need to ensure, make research. If you have questions also, you can drop it and we'll answer in the comment section. Ensure that the course you want to study, it is that subject, the subjects you are putting in carries that course. Imagine somebody that wants to do medicine, for instance, and you do not even put biology. You are writing physics instead of writing biology, right? So you need to be sure of that. There are some courses you will study, you will not need anything to do with mathematics or chemistry. So ensure that you research on the proper subjects for your course. Also research for the proper university or polytechnic or college of education that offers the kind of course you want to study. The last video I recommend for you is how to fill your JAMB form. If you have not, without any mistake, some of you make silly mistakes, costly mistakes in your JAMB. If you want to learn how you can fill your JAMB form, watch this video. You can ask me for the link so that I will send it to you. Now, if you want to get those materials I talked about, free JAMB past question, free syllabus, and if you also want to get the book Lucky Headmaster, what you need to do is, number one, like this video. Number two, share this video, share it, copy the link, post it on all the WhatsApp groups you belong to, share it on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, and all the platforms, so that more and more people writing JAMB can benefit. Then the last thing is, come under this video and do what? No, the last thing is subscribe. Click on subscribe immediately. Click on subscribe. Then when you come under this video, type I have subscribed. Click on subscribe and type in the comment I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will send you the JAMB past question. I will send you free. I will send you the JAMB syllabus free. Then I will also send you the Lucky Headmaster novel for this year's JAMB, but that one is not free. So remember, those videos are recommended to you. So go ahead right now and watch them. Remember those videos, watch them immediately.